Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Green. We're taking up another lesson in Algebra 1, and we're in Unit 4, and we're looking at estimating solutions, okay? We're going to estimate to make certain the solutions we're coming up with in a word problem make sense. So let's look at a few things here. How do we estimate? Estimation is done by rounding, okay? Rounding. So the question always becomes, do we round first, then solve a problem and check for accuracy? Or do we solve first and then round our answer and check it for accuracy? Personally, I like the first one here. Okay? It works better for me. But if you don't like that one and you want to work it the other way, it's totally up to you. So let's try this. We're going to take a problem. This problem is the one that we worked in the last lesson. Okay? So I want to point out to you that pi rounds to 3. So 2 times 3 would be 6. And 40 divided by 6 is close to 6 and 2/3. Okay? So then let's solve it from here. Just the way we solved it last time, we got 6 and 58/57, or 6.369. Well, this is almost 6 and 1/3. That's pretty close to 6 and 2/3. And since this was an estimate, I would say my answer is considered reasonable. That makes sense. I wasn't expecting it to be the exact answer. I expected it to be close, and it was. Okay? So, how about doing it the other way around? If we solve it first and get the answer like we did in the last lesson, and then estimate, once again, pi rounds to 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 40 divided by 6, close to 6 and 2/3. Again, answer is reasonable. Do it either way, got the same situation, and we're looking at whether the answer we're coming up with makes sense, if it's reasonable to use that answer. Okay? Because you're going to get an answer and you don't know, and you want to check to make certain it's correct. Estimating is one way of verifying that you've come up with a good solution that might be appropriate. Okay? Now, the one thing that I'll caution you, I do not recommend using estimating to come up with an answer and looking at a multiple choice and saying, oh, this one has to be the answer. Estimation only gets you to the point of where your answer looks reasonable. Okay? And if in multiple choice tests, they sometimes put reasonable looking answers on there, so that if you just estimated it, you could get either one of these two and you would be going, oh, well, which one is the right way to do it? It might help you eliminate some bad answers, but it is not the way to come up with a solution. You need to solve the problem to make certain you get the exact answer that might be one of the answer choices. Okay? That's what you got to be careful of here. Okay, I'll let you try this on some of the problems that are in the lesson. Make certain you're checking your answers with what's in the study guide. If you don't understand how they got an answer, bring it to Class Connect or to tutoring, and we'll look at it. Okay? I look forward to seeing you next time.